Good. There you go. That's a clinic rep right there. Hey, I want you to square them up now. Okay? Say, hit. Lateral step. Strike right there.
Come on. Good. Get back on top. Here we go. Come on. Good. Get back on top. Here we go. Come on.
Good. Back in the ball. If he spikes, I get a piece, and I get up to that. Say, didn't make it.
Linebacker now, all right? Stay right here with you. You get right here. He gonna undercut you. You gotta stay inside of 2 and wait for 3 to come to the flat, all right?
Good. Find it. Find the ball.
Man, the myth, the legend.
Are you filming me?
We're going to talk money down. Third down, money down, man. That's where we make our money and get off the field, all right?
I say 1 pack, you say 1 go. 1 pack, 1 go!
Practice went well, you know, just everyone's just kind of shaking off the rust from the winter. You know, we're all excited to be back out here though. We've had good spirits, good attitude towards practice, a lot of energy. Just, you know, trying to shake off that rust from the off season, not practicing for a while.